Practice problem number 6. Advertising expense versus sales revenue. Our X values in thousand pesos, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Our buy values in thousand pesos, 50, 95, 150, 190, 250. For problem number 6, using Excel, our N is 5, our R is 0.9984, our P value is 7.5 times 10 raised to negative 5. The direction is positive and degree very strong. Number 7. Years of job experience versus monthly salary. So we have X in years, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Y in thousand pesos, 18, 22, 27, 33, 38, 44. For problem number 7, using Excel, our R is 0.9983 and the direction is positive. The degree is very strong. Number 8. Distance from school versus lateness. X in kilometers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The Y values, which are the times late per month, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. So for problem number 8, using Excel, our persons R coefficient is 0.9934. The direction is positive and the degree is very strong. Number 9. Temperature versus electricity consumption. Our X in degree centigrade, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Our Y is in kilowatt hour, 120, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210. For problem number 9, using Excel, our R value is 0.9961. The direction is positive and the degree is very strong. Number 10. Online ratings versus product sales. X, the rating out of 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The sales in Y, 100, 400, 600, 800. So, for problem number 10, N is 4, R is 1. The direction is positive and the degree is very strong. Number 11. Hours of sleep versus productivity score. Our X is in hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The score, 40, 60, 80, 90, 85, 70. For problem number 8, the R value is 0.6771. The direction is positive and the degree of association is moderate. Number 12. Exercise minutes versus weight loss. So our X is minutes per day, 15, 30, 45, 60. And then the Y, weight loss kilograms in 2 months. 1, 3, 4, and 6. So for our problem number 12, our R is 0.9923. The direction is positive and the degree is very strong. For number 13, years in school versus reading scores. So the X is in years, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Y, the scores, 40, 50, 60, 70, 78, 85. So for our problem number 13, R is 0.9976. The direction is positive. The degree is very strong. Number 14. Fertilizer use versus crop yield. X is in kilograms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is in kilogram harvest. 200, 400, 600, 750, 800. For problem number 4, using Excel, our R is 0.9803. The direction is positive and the degree is very strong. Number 15. Training hours versus performance score. X in hours, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The Y scores, 30, 50, 70, 85, 95. For problem number 15, R is 0.9914. And then the direction is positive. The degree is very strong. For number 16, fuel use versus distance traveled. X in liters, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then Y, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. For problem number 16 using Excel, R is 1. The direction is positive. The degree is very strong. Number 17. Study time versus grade point average. X in hours per week, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then the Y, GPA, 1.5, 1.8, 2.2, 2.5, 2.9. The problem number 17, R is 0.9988. The direction is positive. The degree is very strong. Number 18, the age versus blood pressure. X in years, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Y is the BP in millimeter mercury, 110, 120, 135, 145, 160. Using Excel for our problem number 8, the R value is 0.9976 and the direction is positive. The degree is very strong. Number 19. The price versus quantity sold. X is in pesos, 100, 80, 60, 40, 20. The Y, the units sold, the quantity sold in units, 50, 70, 90, 120, 160. So for problem number 19, R is negative 0.9872. So the direction is negative. The degree is very strong. Number 20. Practice sessions versus competition score. Our X values in sessions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y is the score. We have 40, 60, 80, 95, 100, 102. So the problem number 20. The person's R coefficient is 0.9541. The direction is positive. The degree is very strong. Let's proceed to our MCQ for our quarter 4 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 13, measuring the strength of relationships with persons R correlation. Number 1. Which of the following values of persons R indicates the strongest positive correlation? A. Negative 0.85. Letter B. 0.20. Letter C. 0.70. D. 0.5. Number 2. A person's R value of negative 0.95 suggests that the relationship between two variables is A. Strong positive, B. Weak positive, C. Strong negative, D. No correlation. Number 13. If study hours and test scores yield R is equal to 0.88, this means A. The more hours studied, the lower the test score. Letter B. The more hours studied, the higher the test score. Letter C. There is no relationship. Letter D. The relationship is weak. Number 4. What does an R equal to 0 indicate about the two variables? Letter A. Perfect negative correlation. Letter B. Perfect positive correlation. Letter C. No linear relationship. D. Strong linear relationship. Number 5. A correlation coefficient close to 1, positive 1 means A. Strong negative relationship. Letter B. Weak positive relationship. Letter C. Strong positive relationship. D. No correlation. Number 6. Which of the following best describes R is equal to negative 0.25? Letter A. Strong positive correlation. B. Moderate negative correlation. C. Weak negative correlation. Letter D. No correlation. We will have the next part of our quarter 4 data and probability Lesson Roman numeral number 13.